In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam 0 Bytes download. If your downloads are stuck at 0, move slowly, or never seem to start, this walkthrough will get you back on track quickly and safely. We'll start with the simplest and most common fix, restarting Steam properly. Don't just close the window, make sure Steam is completely shut down. Click the Steam menu and choose Exit, then check your system tray to confirm the Steam icon disappears. Now open Task Manager to make sure there aren't any leftover background processes. On Windows, press Ctrl plus Shift plus ESC to open Task Manager, then look for anything labeled Steam or Steam Client Bootstrapper and select End Task. If you're on a Mac, use Activity Monitor and quit any Steam processes you see. Give it a few seconds so everything fully stops, then relaunch Steam normally. This clean restart often clears out stuck network connections and hung background threads, which is why it's such a reliable first step. After Steam opens, head to your Downloads page and see if the speed picks up. For a lot of people, this alone unsticks the queue. If the issue persists, the most effective fix is to clear Steam's download cache. Don't worry, this does not delete your installed games or your library. It only removes temporary data that can become corrupted and block downloads. Here's how to do it. Open Steam and go to the Steam menu in the top left, then choose Settings. In the sidebar, click Downloads. You'll see an option labeled Clear Download Cache. Click that, confirm the prompt, and Steam will restart. You'll be asked to sign in again, so have your login details ready. After you're back in, return to your Downloads page and try the download again. Clearing the cache forces Steam to rebuild its temporary files and routing information, which often resolves the 0 bytes issue immediately. A couple of quick tips as you test. Give the download a moment after each fix. Sometimes it takes 10 to 20 seconds for the speed to ramp up. If you have multiple items queued, try pausing all but one so you can clearly see the change. And remember, neither of these actions removes games or content. They simply refresh how Steam is running and how it handles temporary download data. That's it. A proper restart followed by a cache clear fixes the majority of 0 bytes problems. Try these steps in order, and you should be downloading again in no time.